All right, here we are today. We're gonna be restoring antique desk. This is probably from the 1800s, early 1800s. Drawers still work. It's got some filing cabinets in here. Everything works. I'm gonna show you how to restore it. Get you that good looking desk there. See, it's got some tables there. You just notice a few problems like that. Don't worry about that. Believe it or not, what we're using today, some Transmax transmission oil. You only need a little bit. Just take a little bit out. You want to dab it on there, and come look at this. You'll get some nice shine on the edge of your wood, especially on the brass there. Stuff's probably potent, but it'll work. You get that nice shine. Alright, now secondly, after you've polished it with some transmission oil, you're going to take your saw and basically what